Hello kids, so today we are going to start new block, that is 15th block, where we are going to write sentences and make them into paragraphs and everything. Okay, so what is our today aim? So today we are going to write longer sentences by using the words, by adding the words which tell us about when and where. Where and when means an action or anything whatever it is going on. So actually what do we need for a sentence? You know that we can write a sentence by taking a subject and also a verb. Okay. So, any sentence, whatever we take, what does the sentence tell us? It tells something about the subject. Okay. What does a sentence tell? It tells something about the subject. So, what the subject is? Something about subject. See, I am taking a subject, Ramu. So, it tells what Ramu is doing. Doing words. Then, Ramu is playing. If I say Ramu is playing, it tells, this sentence is telling that what Ramu is doing. So, Ramu is playing. Here, Ramu is playing. What Ramu doing? Ramu is playing. Means it is telling us something what is subject is doing. Or Ramu is a good boy. It is tells about something about Ramu. So tells about Ramu. That means Ramu is a subject. Whatever the sentence we are writing, it contains the subject and predicate already we discussed. Subject means the name. What the subject is doing becomes a predicate. Same way, what the subject is, it tells about the subject. So, it is telling here about subject and here it is the action done by the subject. What the subject is. He is a good boy, he is a clever boy, he is a something about that boy. Okay, so in this way we can tell something about a person, that is a subject. Rose looks beautiful. So whatever the subject is say, so according to that, trees gives us oxygen. So whatever the subject is, we can tell, and what subject is doing. So gives us oxygen. Trees look green. So whatever is it, the sentence, whatever we tell, it tells something what the subject is doing and or what the subject is. So basing on that we write the sentences. But how we are going to make them longer? By adding where and when. Now if I say Ramu is playing, so just doing. It is containing the subject and a verb. But where the action is happening. So if I use some other thing like where and when, the sentence can be improved. We can make them longer. Like Ramu is playing. So I said where. So if I say where he is playing? He is playing in the ground. I am using a words. So here I use some words which tell us where the action is happening. So when I use this, where the action is happening, we can see a longer sentence. Other than Ramu and the verb, there is a longer sentence like in the ground. Then we can say it is based upon where the action is taking place. Where the action is taking place. Now if we take Ramu is playing when. So we can say Ramu is playing in the evening. Means when? When is he playing? He is playing in the evening. So when we use the where and when, the words like where and when, then we can increase the sentence, we can make them longer. So we are aiming to write longer sentences. For longer sentences along with the subject and verb, we can use the things like the words which contains where and when. So when we are able to use the words where and when, then we can increase the size of a sentence. Got it, children? So already we know that a sentence contains a subject and a verb. But if we want to write a bigger sentence, very, very big sentence, then we want to use where and when. So if we use where and when, we can increase the size of a sentence. Like Ramu is playing in the ground. Ramu is playing in the evening. Even if we use some adjectives, Ramu is playing with a big ball. So even with adjectives, this is the extra information. Even we can add adjectives, means the describing words. Describing words like with what? With. So the words with contains of with what they are doing that action. Okay, he is playing with a ball. He is reading a big book. He is reading a book which contains. So in that way we can increase the sentence like, see, if I take Ramu. Ramu is reading. Now if I use a sentence where we can say, if I want to say where, in the library, when morning 5 to 7 a.m. Okay, I can say the timing here, when and where, and also I can use some other sentence which tells us about with what. So we can say he is reading a book. If I want to increase it still more, I can add the adjectives. What book he is reading? Reading an English book. An English textbook. So I can increase the sentence basing on what? Which and where and when. Okay? Where, when and which. See, Ramu is playing in the ground. Ramu is playing in the evening. Ramu is reading an English textbook. See, I can also say Ramu is playing with a big red colored ball. So the sentence is increasing. So we are going to write the longer sentences. So how to make the longer sentences? For that, we need a subject, what the subject is doing, and we can add where, when and which by using what the subject is performing this action. So basing on that, let us write our volume page number 35. So if you see page number 35, writing longer sentences, you can see here, you want to rearrange the words to form a sentence. So for forming a sentence, first of all, you want to check where the subjects are. So after the subjects, you are going to get about what the subject is doing or what the subject is. So basing on that. Then where and when, what happened after that. Basing on that, you want to write the things. Okay. Now if you want, you can see the second question where you can choose the sentences by you can increase according to them. So my mother, so your mother did what? Did she blew, or did she jumped up and down, or did she play tricks, or did she play music? So basing on that, you can write how many sentences using the 4 given. So you want to match them and you can increase the sentences and you want to write them in the columns given below. Now if you observe the third question, look at the picture and write a sentence that has a naming word. Means you want to give the name for that boy and a girl. You can give any name, whatever you like. You may write your name also. Maybe the girl can be Suma, Sushma, Ramya, any name. And boys can be any name of yours or your friends or any of your names. And a doing word. So what they are doing, just observe carefully children, what the children are doing. You can see what they are doing, what they are wearing, where they are. So basing on that place and when, the timing, by seeing the situation, you can write it. So check that, you want to write a doing word and more words that tell about when and where the action is happening, and complete the sentences by seeing the picture. Try to see the picture carefully. Basing on them, use the naming word, verbs, where, when and which. Basing on that, you can complete your sentences. Okay children, so complete your volume and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you.